Hello, my alien students, welcome back. So this is actually, you can consider this part 2 of this video, this series of videos. In this class or in this video, okay, what we learn in this video. In this class, you learn how to draw flex duct, flexible duct. Okay, I'll show you what's a flex duct. Okay, just for you to show illustration. This is in Revit. Okay, our aim is to draw flex duct in where in AutoCAD, isn't it? I just want to show you what does flex duct. This is called flex duct. Click somewhere. I'm just showing you. Okay, just as an example. Okay. Okay. So how do we draw this? Okay, he's not showing it. One minute, show you. Listen. Okay. So how do we draw this flexible duct? Imagine we have one main duct. Okay. Generally, you draw the main duct, then you draw the flexible duct. Okay. What I'm doing is undoing everything. Okay. So let's say we have a main duct at an offset so and so. Okay. Then what we'll do is we draw a flex duct. Okay. My aim is to show you. I'm just showing you it in Revit just to show you as a 3D object. Okay. Make life easy for everyone. Okay. Hope it's clear now. Okay. See, listen. Generally, it's a band. You can't have it. I'm just showing this just to show you how to draw it. Okay. This is not invalid. Okay, but I'm just showing you how it looks. Just a second. Okay. Cannot have supply and return on the same what we say on the same line. Okay, I'm just showing you just to show you an example 3D view. Okay, so this is what our aim is to draw in Revit. Sorry, not AutoCAD. Okay, so how do we draw this flex duct? Okay, I show you. Okay, let's come back to what is that called AutoCAD. Okay, way back. Yeah. Then let's draw one rectangular main duct. Just one random rectangular duct. Okay, let's say 400. Let's say 4 on 900 by 3. Okay, we can make this longer. The length we can make longer. Okay, sorry, you cannot hear me today. The mic is slightly far from my mouth. Anyway. Okay, and I think this looks perfect. Yeah, if you want, you can increase the length more, 2500. Okay, just one example. I want to show you how to draw flex duct. That's important. Okay. Then what you will do? Okay. Okay, way back. Yeah. So then what you need to do is, see, we've made separate layers. Okay, isn't it? Good habit is to keep before return whatever. Type M. Why M? Because mechanical, isn't it? You're not working alone. You're working with others also. So mechanical M return this thing, isn't it? M. Okay. Same story. You're going to do it for the other flex duct. M. Let's start at M supply. Okay. Wait, one more layer. Okay, supply. Okay. Make that correct. Generally, make it the same color. Sure, supply. Okay. So what you do is this. What is the procedure? This is flex duct current layer. Okay. What you will do now? First thing is draw a rectangle. Yeah. Draw the dimensions as follows. Select a point. Okay. You can do another trick. At 25, 100. Okay. Listen. Then what you will do is explode it. Select the object. Done. Explode it. Then what you will do is offset. How much? By 25. This guy goes up. This guy goes down. Okay. Then that's it. Select. Sorry, that's it. If I pressed F1. Okay. Done. Yeah. Then what you will do? Zoom this. Select this. Delete it. Okay. And then draw a line. This guy goes to mid. This guy is center. So make sure your midpoint object matches. Doing a project like this required earlier. Okay. Okay. And then we need endpoint. Okay. This is clear. Again. select this, delete. Okay, I recommend you create this as a block. P enter block. Name it like F1, flex duct 1, FLX1. Okay, pick the object. Sorry, insert the base one. Where do you insert? Center. I say convert to block FLX1. Okay, just remember this FLX1. Say okay. Done. Okay. Then what you'll do? Draw one spline. Spline command. Spline command. Okay. Start it from the center. Okay. Just drawing random shapes to see it, like nearest. Where is nearest? This one. Okay. Enter. This is clear. So how do we do it now? What we type command called measure. Measure. Okay. Select the object. Block. What is the name of the block? FLX1. Do you want to align? Yes. What's the length? 25. Okay. So I hope you understood how to create flex duct. Okay. Sometimes what we do is generally we can keep it here. Which one? I do like this. Is this clear? But okay, listen, I show you how we can do it. Okay, this is the way you create flex duct. Okay, listen. Sometimes you don't insert it at this point. You insert it at the end point just to show represent, because this does not see the full air terminal, isn't it? So I show you once more. Okay. Okay, just showing it again. So what I'll do is create a spline. Okay, do it from the center straight. Okay. If you want straight, yeah, doesn't make a difference. Okay, we said where sorry, not insertion. Nearest. Okay, sorry, what's going on? Okay, 1 minute. Nearest. Okay, enter. Then what I'll do, type measure, ME, measure. What's the object? This guy. Okay, you want to insert block, D, enter. What's the name of the block? FLX1. Yes, I need to align. What's the length? 25. Okay, so I hope you understood how to draw flex ductware in AutoCAD. Okay, so in the next class I'll teach you how to do, let's say, terminal, let's say bends. How do we draw bends in AutoCAD? Okay, anyway, I hope today's class you enjoyed. We see each other in the next class. Take care and have a nice day. Bye.